Hi everybody. I've got some notes. See, getting old. I hope you're all well after Christmas and New Year and all that malarkey. I hope you haven't spent too much money and things have kind of settled down for you now. Just want to kind of do a recap where we're going forward. Don't worry, it's not going to be a boring video. I'm not going to be yapping for long. So looking back, it's been a strange year for me. Hopefully now things are on the mend. So anyway, this year's going to be a better year. I can feel it. Plans for the year. Well, don't know if any of you are familiar with the Game Fair or the Midlands Fair, I think it is. I've been offered an opportunity to go up there and kind of showcase what I do. But if you are planning to go to the Game Fair this year, hopefully I'll see you there. I've been invited to another local event as well this year. So yeah, it's very, very good really. I want to move forward with the knives, just in quality really. I think, you always strive to do better than you've done before. And I think over the last 6 months, which is all I've been doing this really, my knives have gone from strength to strength, or I like to think so. You're always filled with self-doubt when you do this kind of job, I think, that you're not good enough. But I think now that maybe I'm starting to believe a little bit that I'm actually producing something not half bad. So that's a really good positive, I want to do a lot more kind of Damascus type stuff. And that's obviously, let's have a look. Jump off my little high perch here. So that's what I'm in the process of finishing now. Now this is my raindrop attempt, for any of you who haven't seen it. Not massively raindroppy. The handle actually looks better than the blade. But that's going to look stunning when it's finished. I want to say thank you to all my subscribers. That's going from strength to strength, and I'm just extremely grateful that you're spending your time, your off time, looking at an old fart doing stuff, and it's really humbling. I'm really grateful. So, make sure you hit the bell and all that malarkey, like my daughter said. Now, what I was thinking about doing is maybe doing something different. Monday night, everyone's like really fed up and bored. I'll do a questions night. If you send questions to me, or put them in, the comments and all that malarkey. And if I can answer it, bearing in mind I'm not an experienced knife maker, but if I've got any answers that I think will help you, let me know. Anyway, enough of this. Should we have a look at the knives? Right, now these knives I'm going to show you now are all available. So if you are interested in them, send me a PM. Right guys, this one is available. I made my own pins. Obviously I make all the handles from stabilised oak burl and my resin, and this was my first rainbow Damascus attempt, and I'm pretty pleased with it. So that's going to need finishing, but that one's available, and hopefully you like that. Next we have this one, just needs finishing off and a sheath made, but this is again copper pins, with my own resin, with yellow liners because I thought it'd be nice and bright, and almost a convex grind on this one. Then we have this one, which I've been getting a lot of feedback for. This ain't going to be around very long. Now this is a walnut stabilised handle with copper pins, red liners, and it's all book matched. I also want to say bookmarked. All book matched, as you can see. There you go. We then have a little skinner I've made. That's just oil on there, guys. Okay. You can see very far work. First go at far work that was. I think it's come out pretty well. Orange liners infilled with orange resin. This is stabilised spalted beech, book matched again. I think that's stunning, and obviously all these come with sheaths, and this one I thought I'd do just a nice little sheath with a big belt loop for this one, and this one just sits perfectly, and it's obviously ambidextrous, left or right handed. And then finally, last but not least, I suppose they say, I've got this one here. I've just made the sheath, so I'm not going to insert it into the sheath because it's still setting off. But this one here is a bit of bling really. Strange looking shape, but trust me, as soon as you index it, it feels right. And that's obviously mirror finish, as you can see. Bit of dirt on that side, need to clean it. This again is spalted beech, stabilised. This has got stainless pins with my own mosaic 8mm pin at the back there. Red liners. Just gorgeous, you know. And the sheaths, I'm getting happier and happier as I do them. You know, my stitching is getting better and better. I'm going to do my own stamp on this at some point. But this is all veg tan leather from Italy. So no rubbish really. So there we go, guys. These are all available. If you're interested, let me know. I've had a commission for something a little bit different, as you can see. So we got some pretty funky colours there. It's for an X in resin handles and a bit of a combination, but there's something else involved as well, so you'd have to keep your eyes open for this one, guys, because this is going to be epic. Now, I did a giveaway at 100 subs and that seemed to go really well, and I've made a really good friend because of it. Chris, how you doing, buddy? You alright, mate? Over in Canada. Snowing over there, I expect. So I was thinking maybe we should do another giveaway at 200. So if you're watching this, guys, please do me a favour, share the video if you can. You know, like the video, comment on the video, thumbs up, thumbs down. Kind of opinion is still important. So we'll do that if we can. So 200 subs, another giveaway. And I don't do crap giveaways, as you probably tell. So it's going to be something nice. Got any comments? Please comment. If you'd like it, thumbs up. If you don't, speak to you soon. Bye.